What is the genetic component to stress susceptibility? Have you ever wondered why some people seem to handle stress better than others? The answer might lie in our genes. Stress susceptibility has a significant genetic component. This means that inherited genetic variations can influence how individuals respond to stress. Research indicates that stress-related disorders like anxiety, depression, and post-traumatic stress disorder are influenced by multiple genes rather than just one. Family and twin studies suggest that genetic factors contribute about 30 to 50% of the variability in stress susceptibility. This shows that some individuals may inherit a higher vulnerability to stress due to their genetic makeup. Several specific genes and biological systems are linked to how we respond to stress. One key player is the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis, which controls the releases of stress hormones like cortisol. Variations in the glucocorticoid receptor gene affect how sensitive people are to cortisol, which can influence stress hormone regulation. Another important gene is the angiotensin-converting enzyme gene. This gene affects physiological responses like blood pressure during stressful situations. Additionally, brain-derived neurotrophic factor is associated with how the brain adapts to stress. This gene may impact vulnerability to stress-related disorders. Other genes, like phosphodiesterase for B, have been identified as risk factors linked to anxiety and stress-related conditions. Stress susceptibility is polygenic, meaning many genes contribute small effects that together influence an individual's overall vulnerability. Moreover, genetic effects often interact with environmental factors. For example, individuals with certain genetic profiles may experience stronger effects from stressful life events or loneliness, increasing their risk for anxiety or depression. Understanding the genetic component of stress susceptibility can help us manage stress better. Since we cannot change our genetic predisposition, we can focus on what we can control. Building strong social support networks can help buffer against genetic risk. Developing effective coping skills and stress identification techniques can reduce the impact of environmental stressors. Creating work-life balance routines is also essential to minimize chronic stress exposure. If stress symptoms arise, seeking early intervention or professional support is crucial, especially for those with family histories of stress-related disorders. Recognizing that some people have a genetic predisposition to stress can reduce self-blame. It encourages proactive management of stress through lifestyle adjustments and mental health care. This approach supports sustainable career performance while maintaining personal well-being.